This is the Ultraloq Latch 5 Fingerprint Smart Lock, the world's first built-in Wi-Fi smart lever lock with Fingerprint ID. Built-in Wi-Fi means no extra accessories and an even easier way to monitor all activity remotely. With an auto lock feature, so you'll always know that your door is locked. The numeric keypad has an anti-peep feature that allows you to enter your code embedded in a random group of numbers. And you'll be notified when your door has been opened. Whether you're at home or away, you can easily unlock your door with the app. With the touch of a button, your guests can walk right in. You can also create temporary access codes, which is perfect for Airbnb guests. Just set the code and send it to your guest. And when your hands are full, simply unlock the door with your Google Assistant or Alexa.
Hey Google, unlock the front door.
The Latch 5 will even send you a notification when the batteries are low. And with a physical key, you'll never have to worry about getting locked out. Weather can be unpredictable, which is why we made the Latch 5 waterproof. And the installation only takes a few minutes. Latch 5 Fingerprint, the world's first Wi-Fi smart lever lock with fingerprint.